This week is all about inequalities. So just a reminder, your basic inequality signs. We've got a greater than sign, a greater than or equal to sign, where you just add that line underneath it, a less than sign, or a less than or equal to sign. So hopefully you have some trick to help you remember which is which. One that I like is the alligator trick. So whichever value that the alligator is facing, it's going to be eating the bigger value. So for example, in this is saying x is greater than 4. So whatever numbers go in for x are going to be numbers that are bigger than 4. So the first way we're going to practice this is going from words to writing the inequality. So it says 8 is greater than m. So you've got an 8, and then if it's greater than, we're going to be eating the 8, and then an m. And then x is less than or equal to -7. So notice the less than sign kind of looks like a squished L. So that's another way you could remember it. And then 6 less than a number k is greater than 13. So this is combining some things we learned at the beginning of the semester. So we've got 6 less than a number k. So that means we've got a k, and then if it's 6 less than that, we're taking away 6 from it, and then all of that is greater than 13. The hint that told me that this was going to look more like an equation with an inequality sign is that the word is. So when we have the word is, that's cueing me that on one side is going to be some type of formula. So we have the minus sign, and then on the other side, we've got the other value. So that's kind of how I knew how to set this one up. So why don't you guys go try some practice problems, and then we'll look at a few other inequality properties.